Hello, this is Sophie Andrell. I'd like to share with you some exciting information about the Artificial Intelligence for Business Leaders Micro-credentials course offered by Trent University. It's a course for strategic thinkers, those business people that are currently in the business world or those who are entering into the business world. You cannot afford not to understand how to leverage the power of AI. This is an essential course that gives you credentials and micro credentials afterwards in the form of a badge. And let me just share with you how that's done. It's only 6 weeks long, about 3 hours a week, and that includes the topics of marketing, business development, productivity, ethics, and some chatbot information. In that, what am I talking about? We know how to apply marketing to our business. There are probably 5 steps to marketing that we all are familiar with. We know how to apply business development to our business. But what's critical is to understand how to hybrid, how to bring into it AI so that your business remains current and in front of your competitors. So this course is relevant for business leaders, for community leaders, for nonprofits. So I look forward to hosting this course for you for Trent University. So let me just share with you how this course is going to work. So we have in this course 6 modules, as I said. Each one will be presented online. As such, we have access to a video which talks about that week's topic, that module, the module 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 modules. Each one will kick off with a video that you have access to, probably on a Friday. And then on the Tuesday at 6 p.m., we'll have the course live where you can, for an hour, join me and other students that have the ability to join that course online virtually and ask questions, review the topic of that week. That session will be videoed in case you can't make it, of course. So, in this, we're going to understand the importance of an AI mindset for modern business, how to think strategically with AI, and how this micro credentials can advance your career, keep you relevant as well. So this course is entirely online and it's self-paced, 6 modules as I indicated, about 3 hours per week. And upon completion of the course, successful completion, you have access to all the resources for an entire year after the course is completed. So here's more details on the course, but you can look at that online. Like I said, at the completion, you end up with the credentials badge, recognition of your skills, and how do you complete it? You might be asking. So how do I complete this course? So the system, the online system that you'll be logging on to, will keep track of you completing the video as it were. And so it knows if you've completed it. And so that is one way of one aspect of the course is watching the videos. The second aspect is we'll have 2 self-assessments through the course that you can take. This is so that you understand the course topic. You can retake it as often as you like. The system will know once you've received a 75 or greater in that self-assessment, and that also counts towards completing the course. And then finally, we have a submission of 2 videos, a very short one at the beginning where it's just a minute where you are introducing yourself and why AI is important to you. It's a fun one. You upload it to the discussion board that is part of this online system. It's a way to introduce yourself to the other students and a way to make sure you're comfortable with how to upload a video. Because your final assignment, again, which is another video, so you don't have to write anything, but this video is 5 minutes long of you presenting how you would use AI to solution one of the 3 topics that we're talking about in the course. And that could be marketing, business development, or productivity. And that's it. So I would love to help you get your micro credentials in AI for businesses. Who am I? I'm Sophie Andrell, and I would be delighted. I have been sharing with businesses for years and years on how to leverage the power of the internet, websites, and social media and SEO. I've been delighted to now add AI to my training curriculum in the last year and a half already. So I look forward to seeing you on this course and talk soon.